A YouTube banner, also known as channel art, is the first thing people see when they visit your channel. With Canva, you can easily create a professional looking banner that represents your brand or personality, even if you don't have design experience. So here's how you can make YouTube banner in Canva. So go ahead, open Canva, go to canva.com or launch the application. Tap on create in the top left corner of your screen and simply select the YouTube banner from the template section in the top of the screen. Or in the search bar, you can type in YouTube banner and choose the template with the dimension 2560 by 1440 pixels. Go ahead and choose a template. You can look through Canva's ready-made templates and select one that suits your style, or start with a blank template. Include your channel name or slogan and add images, graphics, and use Canva's free images, graphics, elements, illustrations, or upload your own. You can also change colors, font according to your preference, and customize the banner to match your brand and style. Make sure important elements like text and logos are within the central 1546 and 423 pixel safe area. This ensures that they display correctly on all devices. After you're done, tap on share in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on download and go to YouTube and then your channel and customize your channel and then finally the banner image. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.